Hey there! Here's how to download and update Debutify theme to the latest version.
Let's start. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. Then click Online Store and select Themes. Look for Debutify theme. Then click the Actions button or the three dots beside Customize. Next, click Download Theme File. To finish downloading your current theme settings, click Send Email. Then check your inbox. You will receive an email informing you that your theme export is ready to download. Click Theme Export to download the theme. Start by heading to the Debutify Unified Login portal and log in with your email and password. You may also log in using your Google or Facebook account. Next, click the download icon in the menu bar. For existing Debutify theme users, select Update. Click Add File and upload your current Debutify theme file. After that, the latest version of Debutify theme will start downloading automatically. Wait for the theme to finish downloading. To upload the theme, find Online Store in your Shopify admin and click Themes. From the theme library, click on Add Theme. Next, click on Upload Zip File. Select the Debutify theme zip file and click Upload. Once uploaded, the theme will be visible in your theme library. Now you can click Publish and make it live or customize it before you publish. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed the latest version of Debutify theme. If you have any questions or need help, email us at support@debutify.com.